are so dirty.
I know, we're gonna pretend. Hello!
What's up?
Hey guys, it's slime time. Welcome back to my channel. Unless you're new, then a big welcome to you. So this week we are going to be doing the Try Not to Laugh Slime Challenge.
Try not to laugh slap.
So pretty much how this is going to work is we each thought of about 7 to 8 phrases, and we are going to be putting water in our mouths, and we are going to play the phrase or the word on Google Translate, and whoever spits their water out doesn't get an ingredient. So after all these rounds, whoever has the best end slime texture wins. The activator is not included in this, so you're pretty much trying to get all the ingredients in, or as many ingredients you can get in, before we run out of phrases to go through. And you guys are gonna vote down below on who has a better slime. So yeah.
Let's get started.
Bum, 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 bum. Okay. We have little glasses of water right here that my sister made iced. So this will be fun. So do I go first?
Lemon pepper chicken.
My hair is literally like this the whole video, and yes, it annoys me too. And no, I can't do anything about it. Sorry.
I swallowed it. I didn't spit it out. I didn't spit it all out. We both get a point. So you get to pick one ingredient to put into your slime now. Ooh. I chose some regular Elmer's School Glue, PVA. Ooh, extra icy. I'm not playing hockey.
What has French in it?
Huh?
Pluckers.
Get it yet?
No, it's in French.
Fletcher falling from his tractors.
I swallowed it.
Okay.
Thanks for getting my spatula all wet. I'll do food coloring.
That like went up my nose. That hurt.
Bean, get out of here. Just tell Bean to get out of here. So I'm adding a blue coloring mixing.
I still just have glue in my.
Oh, that's really pretty color. Look
I
at
think
that.
there's some spit in
Look
there
at
too.
that.
Okay, are you ready?
So I got a blue.
She has a blue.
Okay.
Priest can break Pan's ankles because he is a baller.
Oh my god, my pants are so wet.
Well, it
I
looks
feel like I
like-
just pee-peed in my pants.
Ow! I just stepped on something really sharp. Ow, that actually really.
Are you okay?
No, it's a splinter.
Did you get it? You were so accident prone.
Yeah, that hurt. Holy crap, that was hard.
So funny.
So far, you've laughed at every one of your own jokes.
I just have some glue in here in case you guys are wondering.
Ew.
Did my nails?
Bean is the definition of perseverance.
We got another one?
Me too. I got another one. It's my second one. Fiesta Sosa.
Celebrating fiesta party.
Make a pink slime.
God.
Oh, and I just made a new rule. If you're content with the slime that you have and you don't laugh, you get the opportunity to add a random ingredient to the other person's slime.
Oh my god.
That is sick.
Brush the bush already. It is moldy. Ew. Gross.
Clean yourself. Well, another point for me. What if I'm not content with my slime, but I don't want to add anything this round?
You don't have to, but since you won, you can add something to mine.
That is disgusting. Ew.
Wait. I'll add it in, but can I add it in later? Like at the end? Because it won't mix in well now. Okay, I'm really gonna try not to laugh because I have like no ingredients.
Dad's iconic sweatshirt.
Bean,
Add
I'm
a
gonna
little
throw
bit of cornstarch.
this downstairs.
You do be zooming.
Okay, now we're gonna add some mini bows.
Okay.
Okay, kind of went happy on those. Look at it.
Look at this.
You better make me laugh. You haven't made me laugh one time.
Okay, I get it. I'm not funny. I think it's funny.
Bean is so chunky, his new name should be Chungus. He is chunky, 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 chunky monkey. Get on the Ben and Jerry's.
Swallow it again. Clean up again.
I tried to swallow it. It go down.
I'm gonna add some. Get mixing.
Okay, now I have a nice fluffy pink slime. Maybe it'll be bubblegum slime and maybe it'll be the best. What happened?
My love for you is like diarrhea. I just can't hold it in.
Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit more glue this time.
Ew.
God, my pants are soaked. I feel like I just peed myself.
We just shoved a shameful amount of chicken, nuggets, and french fries down our throat before filming today. Eek.
That wasn't funny at all.
Okay.
What the heck is this?
It's activator. What are you doing?
Why is it so thick? Do we automatically get activator at the end? Or
Yeah.
No? Oh, well, you could have told me
I
that.
did.
No, we didn't.
Yeah, I said
No, I
it.
didn't want to put activator in. I thought,
Well, oh, that's just too bad.
oh, God.
The cake is too big to fit in the oven.
I'm gonna choose this Daiso clay that I will add in the end.
2 words. Matt Donovan.
Didn't even say it right. Matt Donovan. I'm choosing mine to add into yours.
Oh my gosh, my hair.
You're gonna add this in too.
Okay. Nom nom.
Bean is so fat that he missed all of the seasons of the Vampire Diaries just walking past the TV.
I'm gonna choose
Okay,
to put
I'm not using mine, so I'm choosing to put stuff in yours.
Okay, alright, you go first. I'll put it in though. Well, it
No.
depends on what's that.
I gotta put it in. You gotta put shaving cream
Okay.
in mine.
Okay. Ew. Well, it makes it softer actually. So thanks.
Oh my god. Dang it.
So it's the last one that completes the challenge. Someone in the comments try to make me laugh. Because this girl right here is not making me laugh at all.
Ash is like the Diego de Dora. Cousins. Even worse than friend zoned. Family zoned. Yee ha.
Well, you just lost the last one.
Stop. Stop. That's so much.
Yeah! Oh, we'll wait until you add all the clays in. See, you're lucky I gave you a...
It's so stale.
See, I haven't used my last one yet, so I don't know what to put. But either put, I haven't used my last thing. Because I
You're
just,
supposed to be accurate.
no, I just won this last challenge.
Oh.
So I could be really rude to Julia and add something else. Your slime is so big.
Yeah, because you added so much stuff.
Ew. Ew. This is so pretty. Actually, though, get that out here. Stop pushing it. Thank you.
Bonk.
I won't. Did you just check your fingernails if my scalp came off on them?
Put this whole pack in.
Come on, hold. Whoops.
Stop.
Whoops.
Yeah. Okay, so I finished my slime.
Okay, so I finished my slime. So we're gonna name them. This is Cotton Candy Carnival Explosion. I'll be selling this for approximately $452.28 on the market for 2 ounces.
Because
it is
it has
extremely
spit
rare.
in it.
Yeah, it is my spit, my DNA in it. You could get me cloned with this stuff. It's really intense. I would highly, highly recommend purchasing and investing in this slime.
This is called I Am the Winner slime. It's got my favorite color in it. It is selling for $2.99
Wow, you priced it at what it's worth.
with the signature on it.
Alright, so we're gonna insert the ASMRs right now. Comment down below who you thought won.
Comment down below a puppy emoji if you think my slime won.
Comment down below a whale emoji if you thought my slime won.
Oh, and also rate them. I want to see.
So if you guys
Yes,
did enjoy this video, make sure to give it a big thumbs up and hit that big red subscribe button down below and the little post notification bell right next to it to get notified every time I post a new video. By doing this, you'll become a member of the hashtag notification squad and one of my timers. So I really hope you guys enjoyed this video and we'll be sure to see you all next week.
Peace out. Stay safe.
Yes.